These are our disposable latex gloves. You get 100 in a box. These are ideal for skin irritations. If you have skin irritations, these are the gloves for you. They're powder free and come in a pack of 100. At the back of our box you can measure your hand, whether it be small, medium or large, by putting your palm right there. They also come with a textured finger for those ends of your fingers, easy to grip. Super strong, good quality, textured fingers. To purchase any of our products, simply add them to your cart and head over to checkout. Enter your details and shipping address, select your preferred shipping method, choose your payment option and click place order. And here's the best part, if you place your order before 2 p.m, you'll receive it the very next working day. Please note, delivery is unavailable on weekends.